So, a week before Apple's announcement, I tweeted out that Apple could most likely be releasing a new update to iOS 15 devices alongside iOS 16. I was being told that this new update will be rolling out alongside iOS 16. Now, if you missed yesterday's announcement, Apple, of course, announced the new iPhone 14 lineup, the new Apple Watch Series 8, the Apple Watch Ultra, and we also got new AirPods Pro, second generation. So, we did get also software. We got iOS 16 RC for registered developers, and of course, the official release date, which is September the 12th, next Monday. So, what is the deal with iOS 15.7, and why is Apple updating these devices now right before the announcement and the official release of new software and hardware? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and, of course, turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the first thing to note is that Apple also updated iPadOS. So iOS 15.7 RC was released on September the 7th. iPadOS 15.7 RC and macOS 12.6 RC was also released by Apple on September the 7th. Now, why would Apple release a new software update for iOS 15 devices and also release iOS 16, which is a major update? And this has a lot to do with the new hardware, specifically the AirPods Pro second generation. Now, as you know, a lot of iPhones and iPads as well as Mac will not support the latest macOS, iPadOS, or iOS. Very capable devices like the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, the iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, and the iPhone SE first generation. And now the new AirPods Pro second generation do need to be compatible with these older devices and work well fluidly, and continuity should be working as intended. And this update, iOS 15.7, brings improvements in compatibility with AirPods Pro second generation. Due to continuity features capable on these devices, Apple has not forgotten these devices. So this update brings, of course, as always, bug fixes, security improvements, and of course, better compatibility and continuity improvements for older devices, which are very capable but do not support the latest OS. Now, of course, to keep in mind that Apple has not mentioned when iOS 15.7 will be released. They did mention that iOS 16, or they did note that iOS 16 will be released on the 12th, Monday, September the 12th. I could imagine that iOS 15.7 will be released alongside. I was told that this software was going to be released. You may remember me tweeting about this a week before Apple's event. I was told that this software was coming before or right after the announcement of iOS 16 official release. So I'm expecting 15.7 to release alongside iOS 16 on Monday the 12th for better compatibility, continuity improvements for AirPods Pro second generation. Of course, bug fixes, security patches, and improvements overall will also be packed into 15.7. But yeah, I just wanted to clear this one for you guys. You guys were asking, why is Apple releasing 15.7? Don't expect any additional beta, guys. I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.